friends, and welcome to Keto with Libby. I am Libby, and this evening I want to share with you guys a routine that has really helped me get back into the flow of things. It's really helped my mindset and really helped me stay on track these last 7 days that I have been restarting on keto. It is nothing fancy. It is nothing super special. Anybody can do it. And does it really actually happen every single night? No. But on the nights that I really need it, it has helped me so much. The first thing that really, oh my god, you can't see me at all. Look at this lighting. The first thing that I have been doing is eating dinner. Now that might seem kind of dumb and just kind of like, yeah, Libby, everybody eats dinner. But what I mean by eating dinner is eating a satisfying, hearty meal that is going to set me up for success into the evening and night and into the next morning, so that I'm not getting hunger cravings at like 9, 10 o'clock at night, even into midnight. That is my Achilles heel. Is that what it's called? Yeah, that's my Achilles heel, is late night snacking and sweet cravings. So I really try to have a good dinner to set myself up for success. Now, I didn't take any videos or pictures of anything that I ate today because it was Father's Day and I was with family, but I am putting the leftovers away. So we had carrots with dip, we had some shrimp, what else did we have? We had bratwurst, burgers, everybody else had cake. I had fruit with whipped cream, and then I made like little caprese skewers, and then just a gigantic salad. And I definitely ate to my heart's content. I did not track anything I ate, but I do know that everything I ate was well within my carbs for the day. And I know that that is really going to set me up for the rest of the evening so that I'm not hungry and I'm not really honestly even thinking about food. Do you want to see me as a child? There's me right there. Little Libby. Now, this next step is kind of variable depending on the evening. I'm a person who likes to shower in the evening. Morning showers are never my favorite. I wake up the very last minute that I have to get out of the door, so that's just not what works for me. But resetting my body in the evening by either washing my face, I always brush my teeth, and then, or showering, whatever I need to do. I just showered. I mean, my hair, I sweated a lot today. You can see it's frizzy, but it's not ready to wash yet. So I am just gonna wash my face and reset for the evening. That just honestly really helps calm my anxiety and just helps me like wash off the rest of the day. And it's so soothing. I don't use any special products. I'm dog sitting at my sister's, so I'm just gonna use whatever she has on hand. I always put it in a bun. I don't know why, but that's just what the hair is. Okay, let me show you my absolute favorite part of my evening nighttime routine. So this might be my actually second favorite part of my nighttime routine, because my first favorite is putting on my jammies, and I was already in this when I started the video, but I like to wear big baggy comfy shirts to bed. I do have some pajama sets that I also love, and they are also big and baggy and fantastic. But the second favorite part of my routine is drinking this Beauty and Sleep Collagen from Perfect Keto. This is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money because I saw it on a deal that they had, and I was like, your girl needs something to shut this mind up at night and stop binging social media to shut my mind up at night. And I really wanted to give this a try. I have been using this for, I used it for about a week and a half consistently, and let me tell you, my quality of sleep was extremely better than normal, and just being able to wind down at night was so much easier just with this. And I don't know, it's absolutely amazing, so I had to share it with you guys. I will put a link down to it below. I'm not an affiliate of Perfect Keto or anything. I just really truly enjoy this product. So I will show you how I make it. It is absolutely nothing special, super easy, and actually really delicious. First, you have to pick a cup from the medley of cups. What should we choose? I want you guys pick one and see which one you think I'm gonna pick. I already know which one I'm gonna pick. The next step, oh hi, the next step after you've scavenged through your sister's cabinets to find a mug is to scavenge through your sister's fridge to see if she has any almond milk. Do you have any almond milk? No, she doesn't, but that's okay. She usually does. Huh, interesting. So I usually use almond milk. I just warm up some almond milk, but I have had it with water when I have ran out. So we are just going to heat up the Keurig and run the water through, and so it'll be nice and warm. So I have the turmeric coconut latte, and on the website it says that it is reminiscent of chai tea, which is why I got it. That's what it looks like on the inside. And I love chai tea. If you love chai tea, you know that you aren't like super allowed to have it on keto because it is so sugary. So I was really excited to see that they have this. Okay, so then I'm just gonna put 1 whole scoop into my water. Boom. I typically use a frother for this, but that one is out of batteries and I do not know where any more are. So we're gonna do the old-fashioned mixer. And there we have it, my wonderful Beauty and Sleep Collagen nighttime drink. Now I will show you what I have typically been doing while drinking this to shut my noggin off. So there's a few things that I do while I'm drinking this. It all kind of depends on the day that I've had and how I'm really feeling. Some nights I can just drink this, watch some TV, and go to bed. Other nights I need a little bit more stuff to shut my mind off. So one of the things that I do is I journal, but it's a different journal than like what you normally see. It's a journal for quieting anxiety. I have shared this. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to flip you off. I have shared this with you guys before, and I really, truly do like it. I just like the, what is it? Like the pages inside of it has really, really good quotes. It also has things that challenge you and make you think of life in a completely different way. And I really enjoy this. When I do this, I usually do like 3 or 4 pages at a time. And I do notice that sometimes it makes me think about things a little bit more, but in a good way, if that makes sense. So I really do like this book. It's phenomenal. I haven't bought many other books like it just because I want to finish this one first before I dive into something new. Speaking of reading, I have been doing some reading. There's a few books that I have started and I actually really don't like, so I am not going to be finishing them. I'm trying to find books that are like helpful for me personally, but then also keep me intrigued, because the ones that I'm reading right now are not amazing. So if you have any book recommendations, let me know in the comments down below. And then the last thing that I will do is I will look up some white noise music on either Pandora or YouTube and just play that if I really, really need that white noise to go to sleep, because some nights I really do need that extra little oomph to just push me over to go to sleep, to stop thinking about things that I can't control and just the world crumbling around me. You know what I mean. If you know, you know. And then there are other times where I don't do any of the 3 things I just mentioned, and I just sit here and watch mindless TV and let my brain turn into mush while I drink my drink, and that is perfectly okay. This is basically what I have been doing that has helped me stick to keto. It has really helped me stay in a good mindset, which is crucial to success on any lifestyle change. If you're not in the right mindset, you're not going to succeed. So I hope that this has helped you guys in any way, shape, or form. Let me know some of your routines down below. I always love to hear them because we can all learn from each other and take different bits and pieces of our routines. So thank you so much, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.